So as most of you guys know, I watch anime professionally, and I'm one of the best reactors when it comes to recognizing sound. There's not a single sound that goes behind my ears unrecognized. Matter of fact, they called me the god ear themselves. So I'm gonna be today, again, for the second time, rating the best sound effects in the history of all anime. We got some new sound effects in here. I think all of them actually, matter of fact, are new. So but we're gonna be rating them. Again, let me know which one you think are your best. So the first off, we got Snap Chainsaw Man. I do gotta watch Chainsaw Man. And then Penalty. Let's see. Oh! Oh! Okay. That snap was nice. Hold on, I gotta listen to it one more time. Ooh, ooh, I like it. It's like that one is pretty good. It's almost like the sound itself was spinning in a circle almost. You hear like I like that. Okay. Second versus the Penalty. I don't know what this show's from. Oh my god! No, I gotta hear that one more time. Oh my god! I like that one. I don't even know what show this is from, but I gotta watch that show. Oh my god! Honestly, listen. I think we can all admit that the snap from Chainsaw Man was good, but the Penalty takes the cake here. Next up, we got Demon Screech versus the Hands. Oh, I already like the title of that one. Hands. Let's hear the Demon Screech. This is the best. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, that sounds so good. Oh my god. You. That sounds so fucking. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, now one more time. Oh my god. The next sound effect is gonna have to pop off really. Oh my god, you're gonna have to work overtime for me to think that you're better than that one. Oh, it's literally the hands. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this sound? What was that sound? Can we also talk about how that's literally Moon Knight's ult? The goon. The goon haunts you. Okay, okay. This was nice, but I think the Demon Screech takes the cake here. Yeah, I'm sorry to say, Demon Screech takes the cake here. Again, let me know what you guys are rating in the comments as well. As things go on, just type in the comments of which individual one takes the cake. Next up, we got Armageddon and then Vulcan Fire Force. Oh, we got another Fire Force. Okay. I have no idea what this show's from either, again, so we're going to find out together. Armageddon! Oh, that looks good. I don't really hear sound effects much yet. Okay, hold on. Armageddon! Visually, this looks good. I gotta watch whatever show this is, because this shit looks peak. But will it hold up to the next one? No, it will not. No, it will not. That just sounds so much better. I think the Fire Force takes the cake again. Holy shit. Holy shit. I would say though, visually, if it was visuals, this one would have taken the cake. I don't know why, but somehow like the white and black theme and the way the animation is done right here, it looks so good. But it's got that like that part is almost like a little bit of a holy spell type of sound effect. Like you hear it? It's like you opened up a chest and a legendary drop just came out. And this part does sound cool, but I think the other one takes the cake for a better sound effect. So I'm sorry, but it's gonna have to be Vulcan from Fire Force. Next up, we got Tanya SFX and Little Boro Trumpet. This is gonna be hard because you guys know I love Tanya the Evil, but I also love Bleach. God damn it. Oh no. Okay, well, this should be interesting. All right, let's get it. It's been a while since I'm about to hear Tanya. Yup. No. Oh, it's just as good as I remembered it on day one. Oh. Part of what makes that sound effect better is the OST that was playing in the background as well. But I guess we're going to count that in because, again, technically it's the whole scene, right? So if the OST is playing and is amplifying the sound effect, then I guess it's part of it, right? I guess. That's good. That's good. All right, next up, Little Boro. Do not be holding an L here, gang. I'm gonna need to have a word with Yafi, who made this playlist. Cause what do you mean that was a sound effect? This motherfucker, nah, he did Bleach dirty. Bleach has way better sound effects, and you chose this one? What the fuck? Well, Tanya wins. I'm sad to say, but Tanya wins. Next up, Gorgon's Blast versus Execution Administered. I think that also looks like Fire Force. So let's get it. Oh. Oh, I think that's Fate Babylonia, right? Oh. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Fate has some of the best all-time anime sound effects. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. You hear the little bubbling, the boop, 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 boop towards the end too? I like that as well. I feel like that adds more to it. Next up, versus Execution Administered. What the fuck? What is going on? Oh. Yeah, that's death. Hey, yo. Hold on. I think... Let me close my eyes and really hear it. It was good in the beginning. I think the ending kind of sells it. It was way better in the beginning right here. You almost hear a growl in the background. I feel like that's so nice. That bass and then the sound effect going away, coming back in. Ding. feel like the execution sells it. Right here, this sells it. That's underwhelming a little bit. Everything up until this point was really good. If they went with more bass and more sound effect to it, it would have been so much better. I think Fate takes the cake here, I think. Yep. It going away, coming right back in. And then you hear the bloop, 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 bloop. Both of them could have been better. Both of them had potential to be way better. But out of both, I think Fate takes everything here. I think Fate takes it. Not everything needs busted bass. Listen, man, I'm the god here. You don't tell me what I need and what I don't need, all right? These ears choose what they take. Oh my, no, it's too. I saw Milim and I was like, yep, I already know what I'm gonna be voting for. And then you put Veldora right next to it. 2 slimes. Oh my god. All right, I'm really gonna have to choose. Nova. Oh, Dragon Buster, I forgot. That's nice. That's nice. You could have played a little bit more off it. I feel like the sound effect continues over a little bit more, but... She's not wrong. People do be busting after hearing that. But does it keep up to Veldora, though? Oh. The charge up off it really sounds good right here. You almost hear like gears turning or like something clicking, you know? Like, hear that part again. Right here. Oh, I think Veldora takes the cake. I think Veldora takes the cake. Because again, Dragon Nova is just more about bass. Veldora's sound effect actually has more to it, more happening to it. I think Veldora might take the cake here. And then it's almost like you fired a cannon. I think Veldora takes the cake. We got explosion versus airplane. 2 sentences that should not, 2 words, I mean, that should not go next to each other, against each other. Let's get it. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. Holy shit. Okay. Goddamn titties. Ooh, it's like a roar or like a Godzilla type of sound effect. That sounds nice. Ooh, like that sound just adds to it. Oh! Oh! Wait, that sound just... Listen, the explosion itself, like the blast being fired, that one sounds good, but what really takes the cake is this. Oh! It's almost like a beast scroll. Oh! And goddamn colors. I gotta watch Konosuba too, man. Oh my god. Hey, hopefully in the future there'll be more demand on the channel for Konosuba because I would love to watch Konosuba. Second, airplane. Oh. For those of you that don't know, this might be a little bit, but I'm gonna try not to be biased. This is my most hated character and my most hated season of Fate. So I'm gonna try not to be biased here. Konosuba wins! Let's go! Let's go! That shit was so ass. Yo, there was nothing happening. Yo, oh my god. I'm so glad the one show that I don't like, or the one season of Fate that I don't like, I didn't have to admit that it had a better sound effect. Alrighty, next up, Earthquake Stomp versus Sword Art SFX. Oh my god, I love Sword Art Online too. Okay. Ooh. The vibration sounds nice. Depends on what's in the second one though. Okay. What's in the second one though? Oh, is this? Yeah. Sword Art Online wins. Oh. It's not even close. It's not even close. This is like a baby versus a fucking nuke. The clock sound effect right here too, and then the rewind almost sound effect, and then this. Oh my god. Oh. Yep. SAO takes the cake. I don't think anybody, and I mean anybody. By the way, for those of you wondering, Neel, what are these matchups? The matchups are completely random by the system, by the AI. So we don't get to choose what goes against what. It's completely random. If you went on this and you did it, it could be a completely different matchup, by the way. So just letting you know, I don't decide the matchups. The website decides the matchup. But Sword Art Online wins. Next up, we got Yozakura Quadret versus Kira Bites the Dust. Why is he biting the dust? By the way, I don't think I've seen either one of these shows, so this should be also interesting. You almost feel like a liquid sound effect. The fire is liquid. She pulling head up. Oh, the delayed shockwave. Okay. The fire sounds liquidy. And then the silence, and then a shockwave. Nothing crazy, nothing over the top, but I like it. I like it. Okay. What does it have on the opposite side though? Kira Bites the Dust. It's almost like a static or like when your speakers are bugging out type of effect. What in the rewind? It almost sounded like time was rewinding itself or something. Let me watch the first one again. This one's hard. This one's hard. Okay. Now let me rewatch this. It's almost like a rewind type of sound effect. Like you hear that almost like underwater, you know? I almost want to give it to Kira Bites the Dust. Not because, like, there's been way better sound effects in some of the previous turns. But it's way better than this one just because you normally, like, they purposely chose a sound effect that almost makes it sound like it's, like, bad. But they chose this as a sound effect. Like, almost like your ears are, you know, like, bugging, or your headphones or your speakers are bugging, you know? And it has more to it. I feel like this one has more to it compared to this one. This one also surprised me. I like the fact that she's using fire, but she also has water, bubbly, liquidy sound effect. But the second part is just a normal bass or shockwave, you know? Yeah, the second part is just versus Shockwave. I think this one has more uniqueness happening to it, and I kind of like it. The more I rewinded it, the more I enjoyed it. So I'll choose that one. That one could be iffy though. I can see definitely people liking the other one more though. Next up, we got Enkidu Enuma Elish. Hello? Huh? We got Gilgamesh back twice in a row. Is Gilgamesh about to win twice in a row? Kazuma Snipe.
Enuma
Hey. It's not as good as the peak. That's his boyfriend. What?
Enuma
Not as good as Gilgamesh's one. Not as good as Gilgamesh's one. I honestly was expecting a lot more. Depending on how good this one is, that one might lose. Kind of lackluster, yeah, a little bit. There's automatically more happening too. Oh! Oh! Wait, now this one I think already takes the cake. There's just so much more happening into this one. The buildup of the like it fully, I guess, scoping in or whatever they're doing, it was like it charging up to the fire shot, like the way it fires. Dang, yeah. Okay, well, Kazuma Snipe takes this one. There's so much more happening. It feels so much more satisfying to listen to it as well. Next up, Fire Force SFX versus Dragon Noah. Oh, we actually got the Dragon Noah. The last one was Dragon Buster. Alrighty, first, Fire Force. Ooh. It's like a gunshot. Okay. Honestly, I was expecting a little bit more. With the blast that size, I was expecting more. They almost went for like a quiet type of sound effect. Okay. Let's see. Now Dragon Nova.
Dragon Nova
Ooh. Ooh. I think I like Dragon Noah more. But hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I think the first one from Fire Force definitely has more happening to it. I like the beginning of it. I'm disappointed by the end, but the beginning is really nice. That charge up, you almost hear like two heavy metals like hitting each other type of stuff, like grinding against each other almost type of sound effect right here. No, I think it was on here. You hear that? That swallow into a gunshot. Ooh, hold on. I gotta.
Dragon Nova
I think Fire. As much as it pains me to say this, I think Fire Force takes the cake. I think it has way more complexity to it and more. Even though the ending was not as satisfying, I feel like if Milim one went on but for a little bit longer and had something else to it, it could have been it. Well, we got Release Collection, Recollection versus the Penalty again because Penalty won. By the way, now you're gonna start seeing some of the ones that we voted for come against each other now as well. So we're gonna have to really start picking until there's one true winner. First up, Kirito for the first time.
Release Recollection
Oh, you hear like ice crystals scratching. Okay.
Release Recollection
Okay. bit underwhelming. Bit underwhelming. I really thought when again, to be fair, it has been 3.5 years since I watched Sword Art Online, but I thought that sound effect sounded a lot better when I first watched it. But hold on. Hold on. Even though Kirito's one is a little bit underwhelming,
リリースリコレクション
you hear that like sharp little noise and stuff. I think Kirito still takes the cake here. Yep. Kirito it is. Next up, we got Demon Screech versus Volcanic Fire Force. Alrighty, let's get it. Yup. I love the ding. I like that at the end as well. It just adds more to it. Versus yeah, the first one takes the cake. The Demon Screech just sounds so much better. It just it's like a hungry beast. Oh, I love that first one. Yep, the first one. Tanya versus Gorgon's Blast. Oh. Yup. Versus. Every time I hear it, it's so good. And then this part. Oh, yep. I'm sorry to say, but Gorgon's Blast takes it. It takes it. Veldora versus Explosion. Oh, shit. Yeah, this one I think takes it, as much as I hate to say it. Oh! Yeah, yep. Second one takes it. Explosion wins this round as well. We're getting closer. We're getting closer and closer. I love that sound so much. The black, I think, listen. I'm sorry, but I think Kira is indeed about to bite the dust. Again, that sounds nice. It does. But it's nowhere near Sword Art Online. The first one takes the cake. Kira is the best, you say. Are you out of your mind? Do you not have ears? You think Kira takes the cake over this? Yep. Sword Art Online wins that easily. Anybody, this is not even a conversation to be had. I mean, first of all, you guys shouldn't be having a conversation with the God Ears himself. Kazuma Snipe versus Fire Force. Ooh. Yo, that sound of shooting sounds nice. Versus. I really like how you could hear, like, you know, like those underwater beacon sounds, like that right there. Okay, I need to re-listen to the first one. I like that charge up sound and the shooting sound here too. But I feel like it's too short. Just the fact that the other one is longer, or it feels longer, at least it is longer. There's so much more happening to it. Like there's a bass, there's like it's almost like it's building up, shooting down. You hear the metals, the ding ding. That gunshot sound. I think Fire Force wins this one. I think Fire Force wins this one. Even though Konosuba, this is a close one. This is a very difficult decision. I'm gonna give it to Fire Force just because, again, the three of the doom, 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 it's the same shot, just repeated 3 different times. Yeah, I think Fire Force takes this one. Release Recollection versus Demon Screech.
Release Recollection!
Okay, okay. Goddamn, it's about to. Is the top 2 just about to be fucking Fire Force versus Fire Force? Cause what do you mean we got just Fire Force here? Yo, I hate to say it, but this sounds a lot better than Kiricho's Release Recollection. And it sucks because there's a better version of SAO clips. SAO is winning. Nah. This sounds so much better. Gargan's Blast. Yup. Ah, that bass. Ah, that's nice. Okay, versus Explosion. Is this somewhere with the... Oh my god, it's so good! It's so good! Visually, it's stunning as well. I really gotta watch this show, man. Oh my god, this shit got me interested in watching the show. I think Explosion takes the cake. Sword Art versus Fire Force again. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I think it's about to be this one. Sorry to say. Nope. Just... Yep. Sword Art Online takes the cake for this one. Oh, Demon Screech versus Explosion. They both have a little bit of that growl to it. So this should be... I don't even need... Yeah, I don't even need to fully hear that one. Explosion takes the cake. It's literally, it has the same, like, that growl, almost Godzilla type of, like, sound effect. But it's just more. There's so much more to this than this one. Shit. Don't make me pick one. No. Am I just a fucking growl whore? Cause I just realized all of the sound effects that have made it to the bottom or the top have some sort of that growl to it, that build up. Yo. Oh, that's so good. No, I don't know which one is better. I think I gotta hear this one more time again. God damn it! No! No! Oh my god! No! This is the final round, I think, as well. Finals. I really don't know who to pick. Oh my god, they're both so good. Oh my god, that one's so good too. I don't know. I don't know. They both sound so good. They both are so good individually. I can only pick one though. No. I love Sword Art Online, but I might have to pick Explosion. But that rewind sound and the clock sound added onto it on top of it is so good though. Oh, that's so good though. I might have to pick Explosion because I feel like this one has a little bit more to it. To be fair, it is also a longer running clip as well, so it has more time to build up to it. To be fair, it's not like the person cut the clip on this one, right? It's just that's all it was. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to pick Explosion as the winner. By the way, the person who made the list is saying in the chat that I did not cut anything short. This is where the clips or the sound effects actually end. So it's not that some of the sound effects are shorter. It's just that's how long they were in the actual thingy. Overall, well, this one was a lot tougher than the last one because the last one had like 3 or 4 sound effects that we all knew right off the bat that they were going to make it to finals, right? We knew we had Gilgamesh's Element Elish, and then we had, I think, Fire Force's Benimaru's, I think, kick or something like that. One of the Benimaru's attacks and stuff. And then we had, I think, one of the JoJo's sound effects. And all 3 of them were like the ones that it was kind of hard, but towards the end, you know, we all know who won. But this one was a lot closer. This one was a lot more tough. So I think we made a good decision. I think Explosion definitely takes the cake out of all the clips that we had in here. Again, it's not that none of them were bad clips. It's just that some of them just had bad matchup as well. Some of them could have made it potentially higher. It's just that, and again, bad matchup. But aside from that though, again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which sound effect you personally think is the best one. And if you guys enjoyed it, again, we have a second video coming out in the future as well, where we're going to be rating the best anime voice lines in history of all animes. We're going to have a sub version and then of course a dub version. We don't want to put both of them together because I feel like it would be unfair because more people, you know, personally prefer the sub. But aside from that, again, press that sub button and I'll see you in the next one. Boys, have a great day. Take care. Stay safe and bye-bye.